All right. Hello, traders, and welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at trade setups on the 4-hourly time frame. So let me share my screen. All right. There we go. If you have any questions, pop them in the chat box and I will answer as we go along. The first chart I'm looking at is GBPUSD. And on this chart, I'm looking for a pullback first and then looking for short opportunities. So we've been in the downtrend for quite some time. We had that big jump last week. So now looking for the pullback and then looking for reversals and looking for opportunities to go short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURUSD. And here I'm also looking for short. So we're at towards the bottom of the channel that it has been, the price action has been moving in. So I'm looking for a pullback and then looking to continue in the short direction. So going downwards. So at the moment, I'm looking for the price to pull up a little bit. That would be a trade if you're going counter trend. Otherwise, just wait until it gets up to the previous level of support. And then which is also in line with the previous trend line, and then looking for short opportunities there. If it does keep going and ends up at the top of the channel, then obviously looking for short from the top of the channel. But the first stop would be around the midpoint. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUDUSD, and this I'm looking for short as well. So we're still in the downward direction, now below the previous channel, so has definitely extended well beyond that. So looking at price action to either continue short or the pullback to the previous levels, which is the trend line or the bottom of the channel, and then looking for short again after that. The next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPJPY. And here I'm looking for short as well. So we've had a massive pin bar there yesterday at that level. So looking for the price to go to the bottom of that channel and to see if there's a reversal at that point. Otherwise to the top of the channel or to the trend line. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY, and EURJPY also looking for short. So we've got that short downtrend there. We are at a level of support, so looking for any pullback and pullback to the top of the trend line there, or anywhere. If it maybe hits the weekly pivot, we have to see what that price action there would look for. Break, false break, come back, and then retest if it is around that area, but looking for short on this. Next currency pair is USDJPY, and USDJPY I'm looking for pullback first to the bottom of the channel and then looking for long. We have that level of resistance where it's been a couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So just being aware of that level, the area, if that price does come back down to there, having at least the first partial profit below that level. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDCAD. And USDCAD, I'm looking for long opportunities. So we've had the price go up. At the moment, I don't think there is any yeah, the next level of a resistance is still quite far away, so there is still potential that this will be going further up, but I'm looking for the pullback and to enter the trade from near the trend line. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURAUD. And EURAUD, I'm still looking for that decision. So either going short if price stays below that level of below that trend line, which has been now retested so many times, and now we have price action above. So we need to wait and see after this bar closes to see if we are going to have price action continue in the upwards and retest from the top, then we would be going long. Otherwise, if that price comes back or it's a false break with a retest, then we would be looking for short opportunities. Overall, the direction is still short from if it rebounds from that line. So I would be looking for short unless we have the price very much do a similar thing to here. So the price goes above, comes back, does the retest, and then we will look to go long there. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURGBP. And EURGBP I'm looking for long. So here we had the price go up, reject that level. Let me see, put about there. So that's a level of resistance at the moment, but we still have quite a bit of price action to go there. So if we have any pullback, then looking for a long opportunity. And the last currency pair I'll be looking at is GBPCAD. And with GBPCAD, I'm looking for short. So here we have price still in the downtrend, now below the previous level of support. So looking at, we've had a slight pullback, but not as deep as I would like to see. I would like to see the pullback around there. So we have a number of candles above the EMAs there, but at the moment this is where it is. So we just need to see, potentially there might be a false break of that level, and then if it comes back below, we would look for retest and short. Otherwise, if it continues going up, then it might be going all the way up to this previous level of support. So just looking for a price action reversal around those levels and looking for short opportunities. All right, that is all for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Pop them in the chat. Let me check the chat. Okay, no questions today. All good. Have a great week of trading, and I see you again next week, Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. All the best trading until then. Have a great week.